In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the scene looks like, and I have used two UV spheres, an empty object, and a plane. Let's create a UV sphere. Press Ctrl 1 to subdivide, and right-click to shade smooth. This mesh is going to be our core mesh, and we'll need another UV sphere. In edit mode, type 3 to face select. It will be better if the face loop is located right in the middle, meaning the sphere needs to have an odd number of rings. Let's Alt-select to select the face loop, and type P to separate it. Let's create an empty object, and use that as our anchor object for an array modifier. When you see a mesh like that, press Ctrl A to reset all transforms before modifying the empty object. I'll add a solidify modifier, subdivide, shade smooth, and apply all modifiers. In edit mode, type A to select all, and P to separate by loose parts. In object mode, type M to create a new collection. We'll get a cool looking mesh once we randomize the mesh's transform. I'll show you the material, lighting, and the composite node details next. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.